Welcome to our how-to series of videos. Today we're going to be looking at how to expand and retract the undercarriage on our next generation Cat Mini Hydraulic Excavator. I'm up here in the machine. First thing you need to do is start the machine up and jack the machine in the air, which is very simple to do. You're going to lift your linkage up in the air, push your blade down to jack the machine up, swing all the way around 180 degrees and lift the tracks clear and up off the ground. You do this so that when you're expanding or retracting the undercarriage, you don't do any damage to it, because if you happen to be sitting on any rebar, any sharp rocks or metal, you don't do any damage to the undercarriage as you retract it and expand it. Once you're up in the air, you then unlock the undercarriage, use your blade lever to bring the tracks in to underneath the machine. Make sure both tracks are fully underneath the machine, lock the tracks back up again, and then lower yourself to the ground. Now you will notice that I'm leaving the blade up in the air, and I'm going to exit the machine. Remember, 3 points of contact when you get in and out of equipment. I've left the blade up in the air because now you need to fold the wings in. You simply pull the pin, fold the wing in, and pin it back in place. You notice that they are actually hinged, so you won't actually lose the wings at any time. Make sure you do both sides. Pull the pin, swing it in, pin it in place. The blade, the track width, and the house width on this particular machine is now 40 inches. Allows you to access inside of buildings, around the outside of buildings, through narrow gateways, get into yards and gardens. For further information, contact your local Cat dealer or look out for more how-to videos on YouTube.